August 30th, 2024, camping by, totally forgot what this is, by Round Pond, up in the eastern Adirondacks, in Keene Valley. Yep, for sure. Sammy.
Just a crack in the can. Don't know good.
Can you make the food somewhere over here? Like over here?
Huh? I'm using this stuff, the big stuff to do that outside.
Why?
Huh?
Why? Well, just because the camera's going and you picking food would be
Oh,
like...
meaning me?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant the car. Yeah.
Yeah, like could you make the food like over here? I think it looks really cool. This is a good, well-ventilated fire you made over here.
Yeah, I Google video.
Yeah.
I work, by the way.
It's really good.
Watch your stuff.
Yeah, you can make it there. You go across this little island over here.
Huh?
I know.
You didn't let me close it. The smoking's fucking me up.
You're gonna have one wet Sammy tonight in
You better drive.
the tent with you.
Let me take that off.
Sam, come.